Welcome back to the Marty Sati YouTube channel. If you've got an accounting firm and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you are certainly in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to do exactly that. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've registered an account, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So usually I'd head to the top, search for my market in the search bar, but I can see it right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that option. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our accounting firm so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region that I'm based in over here. But it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue and let Marty Site work its magic. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even 10 seconds with the information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at the website it's just come up with. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to that content. So now I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. Now, with multi-site, you don't need to know any website coding, you don't need to know any professional web development skills, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's jump into it. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Going to go ahead and put in my email address over here. I want to make sure my email is visible on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and check the box. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here that is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location, pop it in here if you have one. Maybe you're only a virtual or strictly online accounting firm. The great thing about that physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on it, so it will automatically take them to Google Maps. And update social links, you can put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a logo, head on over to update logo in the next section and upload it over here. When your logo has been uploaded, if you want to make some slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frame, you can click on that pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save, and on the right here, you can make the logo bigger and smaller under customize logo. Now, if you want to change the colors that were pre-selected for you as well, you don't need to know color coding. Click on the little paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. Now, over here is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Otherwise, you can actually now connect your Instagram and pull in your Instagram photos. I'm now going to go ahead and click on that just to give you a little example of how easy it is to do. Click on allow to allow a permission to link to your Instagram accounts, and it will actually pull in all your Instagram photos, and you can select through those photos as well. So let's head back to that section. Head on over to update image again, and you can say select from your Instagram. I've just linked to my handyman service as an example, but you can search through your photos over here and put them in each section you want to. Under update action, you can change those buttons. You can link them to various places by clicking on choose link and change the button text as well. You can link to another website or upload a PDF file or an action like click to call directions as well. Under update contents is where you can change all the content that was pre-written for you as a guideline. Now, in this section over here, it's automatically pulled in all my Instagram photos. If you want to click on update section, you can head over to update design and go through the various layout options. Maybe you don't want to use any of your Instagram pictures or you just want to use one in that section. click on layout options to make the changes. And the last section over here is where your customers can reach out to you in the lead form. You will get notified via your registered email that you have a new lead from this form, as well as find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain, otherwise you can purchase a domain by clicking on the green button. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your accounting firm and really wishing you and your business mighty success.